Hi, this is a demo of the C2 CRM, Customer Support Ticketing and Case Management System. It's important to know before I actually get into the demo how the system is configured. During implementation, we meet with every organization in your company, including your customer service organization. We sort of walk through the day in the life of each customer support agent to see how they conduct their daily routine and see what data they want to capture, maybe what processes they use during the day to do their job. And then we build it into the application and streamline the application and make the system very intuitive. But what we also do in knowing what data they want to capture is if we don't have a widget in the system that addresses what they need to do during the day, we build custom widgets to put on their dashboard so they can easily access the information. So first thing I wanted to point out is when you log into the system is role-based so that you as a customer service agent will have a unique experience than from someone in sales and so on. What I'd like to do is sort of walk through maybe what the day in the life would be for a customer service agent using the system. So let's say that you're at your desk and someone calls in, and you can use the search mechanism up at the top and pull up a customer record very quickly. If you had CTI integration to a phone system, this could easily have been a screen pop from the phone call, and it could be the contact record that pops up, or you could have a ticket already there waiting for you to fill out. But in any case, what you do from the contact record is then be able to create a new ticket and start from there. What I'm going to do now is go to an existing ticket to explain, basically how a ticket is set up. As you can see, it has pretty much all the common fields that you would find on a ticket, as it is on the problem summary, who the requester is, which is usually the customer, who it's assigned to. Now, typically, that would also be the ticket owner, which is the customer service agent, but as you walk through the process of trying to resolve the customer issue, you may decide to assign it to other individuals like subject matter experts to help resolve the issue. And then, of course, you have the name of the company and also, how severe the ticket is, as well as the origin. And the origin is it could come in by phone call, someone could email the ticket in, and it would capture that email and actually create a ticket from it, and so on. And then, obviously, as you're walking through the status of that ticket, it could be escalated where you have workflow would send a notification to that person's supervisor, and so on. Also, if the customer has any SLAs, then you can do resolution priority, and so on. You can also flag the product or service that it's related to, and then you could put the problem details down below here. And of course, there's a history of the ticket as you keep on working, and so on. Down here is what we call a documentation guide, and the customer service agent can leverage it, and it's tailored to your business model, and it helps him identify, the actual issue in more detail. We use soft-coded keywords, and they are cascaded to help walk through what may be the issue. And you go through every layer until you find, what you're looking for, and then you can leverage a built-in knowledge base system to help locate any knowledge base articles that could help you solve the problem while you're there on the phone. If it's been resolved before, you may not want to recreate the wheel in trying to solve it yourself. We do a weighted search as well as a full text fuzzy search on looking up in the knowledge base. You can open knowledge base article right there when you're on the phone with the customer, and then it describes basically what the issue is and maybe any resolution down at the bottom. And then you can also take that resolution, that knowledge base article, and email it out to the customer using our marketing module. And because it's a marketing email, you know when they opened it and you know when they clicked on a link. The other thing to note is that we also have a case management tab, which basically uses a swim lane approach to help you manage the different stages of a ticket to include, what actions that need to be taken and what best practices to be followed to successfully proceed to the next stage. This will be customized during the implementation and to fit your business model. Hopefully that answers all your questions that we have on our customer support ticketing system. And as always, if you have any more questions, please call your account rep. Thank you.